The centripetal force must act on the object radially towards the center. Let us consider an object of mass m moving along a circular path of radius r with the velocity v. Its centripetal acceleration is given by a equals v power by 2 or by r. The magnitude of centripetal force is given by F equals mass into centripetal acceleration. F equals mv power by 2 by r. Problem 4. A 900 kg car moving at 10 ms power by minus 1 takes a turn around a circle with a radius of 25 meter. Determine the acceleration and the net force acting upon the car. Solution. When the car turns around the circle, it expresses centripetal acceleration A equals v power by 2 by r. A equals 10 power by 2 by 25 equals 100 by 25 equals 4 ms power by minus 2. Net force acting upon the car. F equals m. A equals 900 into 4 equals 3600 n. 2.10 Centrifugal force. Activity 6. Take a piece of rope and tie a small stone at one end. Hold the other end of the rope and rotate it such that the stone flows a circle path. Do you experience any pull or push in your hand? In this activity, a pulling force that acts away from the center is experienced. This is called a centrifugal force. Force acting on a body away from the center of circular path is called centrifugal force. Thus, centrifugal force acts in a direction which is opposite to the direction of centripetal force. Its magnitude is same as that of the centripetal force. The rear in a washing machine. The dryer in a washing machine is an example for the application of centrifugal force. Points to remember. Motion is a change of position which can be described in terms of the distance moved or the displacement. Motion of an object could be uniform or non-uniform depending on its velocity. Speed of an object is the distance covered per unit time and velocity is the displacement per unit time. The acceleration of an object is change in velocity. The acceleration of an object is the change in velocity per unit. The motion of an object at uniform acceleration can be described with the help of three equations, namely v equals u plus at, s equals ut plus half at power by 2, v power by 2 equals u power by 2 plus 2as. For a freely falling body, the acceleration a is replaced by g. An object under uniform circular motion experience centripetal force, centrifugal force acts in a direction which is opposite to the direction of the centripetal force. Thank you.